viewers, my name is Shuvosree. I read in class 3. Today I am talking about my family. We are 5 members in our family. My mother, my father, my brother, me and my auntie. She is our helping hand. My mother's name is Polly Howladar. My father's name is Supradeep Haldar. My brother's name is Shubhajyoti Haldar. In holiday, we go to a long drive. We enjoy in the long drive. My father works in Sadharan Bima Corporation and my mom works in UNICEF. My father is very funny. He always tells us many jokes. My mother teach me and make tasty foods. My brother like to read storybooks and play games. I love my family very much. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Bye.